Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix generation field in ElevenLabs. So actually guys, at first you will need to check your internet connection. So the AI voice generation requires a stable internet connection. So just go ahead and switch from the Wi-Fi to the Wi-Fi or to another Wi-Fi or to a mobile data or vice versa to test, and avoid VPNs or proxies. Temporarily they can block the request. Also, you'll need to check your credit balance. Where to check? You can go with the profile icon that's located at the top right corner, and here where you can see the total credit and the remaining credit. So if it's zero here on the remaining generation will fill, of course. So upgrade or wait for monthly credit resets if needed. So where to check? You will need to go with subscription here, and right here you can see when your credit resets. Okay, so that specific date, for example. And if you don't want to wait, you will need to go and upgrade your plan. All right. Also, I do really advise you to reduce the text length. So a very long script can cause failure, or break text into smaller chunks, for example 300 to 500 characters, and generate in segments, then merge audio files. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.